through the weekend, but for the rest of the day it's a scattering of blustery showers that we've got to contend with. Not as sharp as yesterday, but still many around southern England, East Anglia and the Midlands, and still quite a brisk breeze coming in from the west, so feeling quite chilly with highs of around 5, 6 or 7 degrees, but noticeably cold over eastern Scotland in that stiff southeasterly, only 2 or 3 degrees here, with sleet and snow still happening over Highland and Grampian Scotland. Milder for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, still a few showers around, but some brighter skies for western parts of Northern Ireland, and also continuing through southwest Wales and also southwest England. But quite windy here, but if you can keep out of the wind and in the sunshine, then highs of 9 degrees, not feeling too bad at all. And we'll see that weather extending down into the Channel Islands as well. Now through this evening and tonight, many of those showers fading away, apart from the far northwest. And for some in the north, there will be some clear spells around, giving us some local frost and ice by morning. Otherwise, temperatures just above freezing. Now tomorrow, we start off really quite dry for many parts of the country. A lot of cloud around, quite grey, a little bit of brightness for eastern Scotland and eastern England. But you can start to see some rain coming into parts of the west as we go through the afternoon. But for much of England, it is going to be a dry and rather grey day. Admittedly, there'll be a little bit of brightness for Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, perhaps East Anglia too. But with the wind starting to come in from the east and northeast, it is going to feel colder than today. Temperatures struggling, only up to around 4 to 6 degrees. But as we head out towards the southwest, the cloud continuing to tumble in here, and some drips and drabs of rain coming into Devon and Cornwall through the afternoon, and western Wales, and really quite misty and murky around these coasts, as it will be across Northern Ireland as we start to see that rain really making its presence felt through the afternoon, coming into western Scotland later on, but still very cold in that strong wind up towards the northeast. Now as that rain pushes northwards and eastwards, it'll encounter that cold air, and we will see some heavy snow, particularly over the high ground of northwest England and Scotland through Saturday night into Sunday. And the Met Office are warning of possible travel disruption, as we'll see blizzards and up to 15 centimetres of snow, particularly over the high ground of Scotland and northern England. Perhaps a little bit of snow further south over western England and Wales, but it won't amount to much. But you can see it's going to be bitterly cold in the east and the north, milder and wetter for Northern Ireland with highs of 11 degrees. So to keep updated with all that news about the snow over the weekend, please visit our website and page 400 of BBC Eye and CFAX. Back to you, Sian.